See folks, this is a normal Cape Dorset day. None of this blizzard stuff. This is what it looks like. You can see across the bay. Just beautiful. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Stephen here. We are now Tuesday morning. This is our fifth day here in Cape Dorset. Well, the blizzard's gone, but it looks like fog is now rolled in. Yeah, what that means is likely we'll fly out today. I'm flying home tomorrow either way, whether it's here or Khalid. Overnight there was 100 kilometer-hour winds here in Cape Dorset. Khalid right now I think is at about 110 kilometer winds. What that means is it's just very, very windy. Flight has been canceled for Tuesday. Both schools will be closed for the day on Tuesday, November 21st. That means us. It means our second day, man. Arctic Hope now is not able to meet with students in the school. We'll have another service tonight because, that's the whole thing, but this is perhaps the point in the day when we start to go a little stir crazy. We've been here for too long. The school's been closed. Government's been closed. Everything has been closed. The only thing that's been open is the hotel and our rooms. I think my guests are sleeping. And just heading to my room. Made myself some tea. And now I'm going to do some more work. So, just came back from, just from the pastor's house, and walked around town a little bit with some of our former Arctic Hope students. Great kids. It's a bit of a curious thing because, I've got two daughters, and I think with my two daughters by 7 o'clock dinner time you come home and you're home for the evening. Here it's a little bit different, and especially in the summertime it's a little bit different because throughout the whole summer, it could be from 20 hours to 24-hour sunlight through most of the summertime, and kids spend a lot of time outside and doing their stuff and hanging around. Right now, it's after 10 and kids are walking around. Now it's a very peaceful night. It's a very beautiful night to go walking. It's a light snow. It's got to be about minus 1 or 2 degrees. The wind's died down. Likely we'll leave tomorrow. I've been saying that for many days now, so maybe I won't say that anymore. But yeah.